Hi everyone, it's Marky. Today let's talk about this Nest Reed Diffuser Refill. So this is used for the diffusers that have the reed sticks in them. This smells amazing and it lasts a really long time. This is a 5.9 ounce bottle. When I fill up my diffuser, this lasts about 90 days, so I absolutely love that. I've had other types of diffusers and different oils that I've used that don't last as long, and I feel like I'm always having to buy it and refill them over and over. This just lasts forever. This is alcohol free, so it's not gonna burn your senses when you are refilling it. Like I said, I have used other ones where it just hits you in the face and it feels like it burns your sinuses. This one does not do that at all. It's really, really mellow. It spreads really evenly throughout your home. It just smells amazing and I absolutely love it. This is vegan and cruelty free, not tested on animals, which is a huge thing I look for in my products. So if you are maybe somebody who has a reed diffuser or is wanting to look into that to see if it's something that you might like in your home, I would highly recommend that you look into this one. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.